Okay, so they want us to change into radical form. So a is the third root of 125 squared, right? And to simplify that, right, I take the third root of 125, which is 5 squared, and I get 125, right? Okay. For b, 16 to the 1/2, that's just the square root of 16, which is 4. For c, 16 to the negative 1/2, right? That's 1 over 16 to the positive 1/2, which is 1 over the square root of 16, right? That would be in radical form, which is 1/4, right? And d, let's make some space. D, we have 1/81st to the 4th power. So it's like that, the 4th power of 1/81st. That would be in radical form. And then the 4th root of 1 is 1, and the 4th root of 81 is 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So 1/3 would be